Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Manus and Cursor, and I will help you to decide which is the better AI assistant for developers in 2025. So let's start with Manus. It is an AI-powered autonomous software agent that can take high-level instructions and execute tasks like writing code, debugging, and even launching back-end services with little human input. Cursor, on the other hand, is an AI-powered coding IDE built for developers who want smarter, autocomplete, chat-based code explanations, and inline suggestions powered by GPT. So let's compare both of them. Number one, task automation. Manus can run multi-step workflows across environments autonomously. It is designed to stimulate or simulate a junior engineer, while Cursor helps you write code faster, but it still needs direct interaction and feedback from the user. Number 2, use case. Choose Manus when you want to delegate the entire software tasks and focus on just supervision. And you can choose Cursor if it's better for hands-on developers who needs powerful assistance inside their editor. Number 3, learning curve. Cursor has a low barrier, but it feels like using enhanced VS Code, while Manus takes more time to configure for long workflows, but it provides greater long-term automation. Number 4, flexibility. Manus supports integration with APIs, CI or CD, and backend logic, while Cursor is focused on enhancing dev productivity with context-aware suggestions. So, for final verdict, you can choose Manus if you want to offload technical tasks to an autonomous assistant, and you can choose Cursor if you prefer the direct control with high efficiency help from AI while coding. So, if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.